was surprised there was an airplane in our terminal because they've stopped flying at 10 o'clock here. Right, I know.
It's the curfew. Yeah.
Burbank's usually.
Yeah, and now they're actually talking about more of that curfew
Yeah.
because they're saying that the neighbors are complaining. Well,
What do I think about that? Don't live by the airport.
that's that's why I'm saying it.
All right.
It's not like the airport just got built.
Yeah, right.
Prepaid tickets and credit cards only this lane. Already prepaid.
You want me to get the parking?
Huh?
You want me to get the parking?
No, I got it.
It's like 1:30 in the morning for me. I got used to the time out there. You ever been to Massachusetts?
No,
Oh.
I've never been anywhere east of New Mexico.
Wow. It's really a beautiful state. It's so lush with trees literally everywhere. Everywhere except the city. And water. And it rained all week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, people are used to it over there.
Well, they were saying that it's not normal for May at all. And they've had 6 straight weeks of rain.
Wow.
And that's really unusual. Rain usually is done around March, maybe early April, I mean. Just wasn't stopping.
You know what? I mean, we wish
Right?
we have that here, right?
Well, didn't it rain yesterday or?
Yeah, the day before.
Yeah.
Or was it last night? I don't even remember now. Dana, what time? What day did you go?
Monday.
You know what I'll do? Because once I drop you off, I have to rush over to LAX.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. So I'll just have you text me your email address.
Okay.
Okay. So I can send you like an invoice you can just pay online.
Okay.
That way I don't, we don't waste any time.
All right.
This is part of the craziness of this job. You're coming in at 10.
Yeah.
Fine. It's 10:40 that we're leaving the airport, which, I would say, about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes here and there is not going to make a difference. But the next flight that's coming in, is supposed to come in at 12 o'clock? No, it's coming in at 11.
Wow.
But, I mean, I can't do anything about it. The flight's early. Yes, I can try to make it if let's say, you landed at first it showed that you're going to be landing at